Hello, I'm Donny from Innovate Alarms and we just bought this funky toilet plunger. Okay, so it's not actually a funky toilet plunger. It is in fact the new Apollo Reach wireless fire test survey kit, which comes here in this nice case. Recently we've priced them, we've won some wireless fire jobs, so we thought we'd just invest in our own test survey kit. This allows us to react quickly to inquiries that we receive, so let's just open it up. Okay, so first off we've got the instructions. Nobody needing that. We have the hub, which will take up to, I believe it's up to 32 wireless fire devices. We've got the power, we've got batteries in here, and we have got the toilet plunger, which is basically just a smoke head, and it goes onto this crappy pole. For the money that this costs, it is a crappy pole. So yeah, let me get this switched on and we'll see how it works. Right, so that is us set up. I had to get the instructions out. I don't know if you'll see this here, but I've got a little green light which is indicating that the communication between the device and the hub is really good. Not surprising considering how close we are. But this should do up to 100 metre clear line of sight. Basically go around the building and put this device up and make sure I'm getting a green light. As long as I'm getting a green light, then we're good to go. Wireless fire alarms can be the ideal solution in certain situations, such as listed buildings, outbuildings, extensions, places that have recently been decorated. There's a whole host of places where we can use this system. So if you have a property that you think would benefit from having a wireless fire alarm system, get in touch with us. I'll put our contact details at the end of this video and I'll also put them in the comments below. And yeah, stay safe. Thanks for watching.